Prithvirajeshwar won Fort Hansi Fort. These are echoes of valor, rites of curiosity. So there I was Amish, the ever courteous wanderer standing in front of Hansi Fort, also known as Agar Fort, with Google Maps saying you've reached your destination. But my mind whispering, you've reached history. Perched in the heart of Hansi, just 26 kilometers from Hisar. This fort doesn't just stand, it poses majestically like an old warrior who's seen 1,000 battles and still refuses to retire. A time travel ticket to the 12th century. Built during the glorious reign of Prithvirajeshwar, this fort once guarded the northwestern frontier of India long before GPS and toll process existed. Back then, this was a strategic hotspot connecting Delhi to the outer frontiers. From Rajputs to Sultans to Gate AQS Mughals. Everyone wanted a piece of this mighty fort. It's like the Bollywood hero of forts attacked many times, yet always standing tall, camera already for the next dynasty. Architecture that whispers and walls that watch. The fort once spread over 30 acres, surrounded by huge ramparts and 5 grand gates. Today, Delhi Gate and Hisar gates still give that don't mess with me vibe. As I walked through, I spotted ancient wells, underground chambers, and what looked suspiciously like tunnels, probably not for adventure tourism back then. But hey, curious minds wander. The fort's architecture blends Rajput precision with early Islamic flair, like an Indo-Mughal fusion, and is served centuries before it became trendy. And if you're lucky, you might spot locals claiming secret tunnel once led straight to Delhi talk about an ancient expressway. The legend of As-i-Gar, the Fort of Swords. The name As-i-Gar literally means Fort of Swords. And I can imagine of steel echoing here centuries ago. Hansi was famous for its swordsmiths. And I couldn't help thinking, if Amazon existed then, this would have been the weapons warehouse. They say Prithvirajeshwar once commanders used this fort to guard the region and the underground passages were their stealth mode. Today the fort might be silent, but its stones still hum old war songs if you stand still enough to listen. Modern vibes in an ancient frame. Today, the Archaeological Survey of India takes care of this hidden gem. The broken walls, windswept bastions, and serene surroundings make it a dream for photographers, bloggers, and curious solo travelers like me who love walking where history still breathes. Standing atop the ramparts, watching the city over Haryanas plains, I couldn't help but think this fort may be ancient, but it still knows how to steal the show. Travelers of reflection. Visiting Prithvirajeshwar Fort isn't just a history lesson, it's a time capsule wrapped in curiosity. Every stone here has attitude, every word a whisper. For me, it wasn't just a fort, it was a walk through forgotten glory, and a perfect